This story is about a certain man with his two sons living in harmony with love, caring for one another. One day, as high school exam result is announced, the older son happened to pass the exam while the younger one remains as a failure. As a result, the younger son has to support his older brother's studies by being at home with his old-aged father. So the three of them, they discuss among themselves, and it is decided that the younger son should get married and stay with their father. On the other hand, the older son goes for his higher education.
Ayo, hikuhimi temuna nutajisha nunimanga nyushani.
Aba, hua.
As the older son studies, the younger son and his wife remain at home, working hard and also helping out his brother by sending money as needed during his studies. The father is very happy, filled with joy, seeing what his younger son is doing for his brother's sibling, thinking this is what a family is for, or should be. He always encouraged them to keep this lovely culture in the family. As the time goes by, now the older son has completed his studies and is back home. This brings more joy to the father. And now the father has a plan to get a wife for his older son. He encourages him, saying that now he is taking the lead in the family, working together in unity and listening to one another for the good of the family. It is not long after the older son is married, the wife of the younger son wants to live by themselves separately and told the plan to her husband. At the same time, even the parents of the wife suggested the same thing. Even though the younger son does not want to go away from his father's house, being pressured by his wife and his in-laws, he has to ask his father to let him go. Hearing this, the father explains him that in Lisu culture, it is only the older son leaves the parents' house, and for the younger one, he stays, and so leaving home is against the culture. However, the younger son insists, saying that it is not appropriate to let the older sibling leave just after the marriage from the father. Even though the father does not want to let him go, because of his insistence, he divided up his share and finally let him go.
Noah ajina, abani nomaza nobutingawa, alitani Noah ikwakwani. Iha haimusanga.
Abao, ngawa, ngaga no nino mazatio ngama livi. Nove kudegu atamata fuchunya no mango. Oligu ngaisuma chuita. Ebe kudegu ngama na namadawa. Olini alibiga nganete kwatisina abo.
Aba desu na nana taushi. Tiyo jolitana. Abaga alibema nao.
One day, the older sibling and his wife visit their younger brother and family. There, it is learned that the younger sibling is selling out everything and about to settle in a new place far away.
Yohema kalte okale, te kwa ifufu chilu chani.
Even though the older sibling gives good advice not to sell out anything because it is a property from their parents, but the wife of the younger sibling disagrees, so they sold out everything and set out for far, far away land.
Nanzo, yohismana hismango oligu, nanajima jushiteni atotoni tanana.
Ai funoli tabe, noli bedwana, hispa hismabi umaja.
Jima jigunganye bedungu. I doesn't and shit live for sure.
Te kwa ge ni na ni de ka tu shi. Oli ti kwa jia hu dong se.
Manza win show. The mana tumule wating wishani atotina tavafu. Noa madama sati, Ule iduti beba ayiv de shehila te kwa. Fupima am teleguma bala gani am azaza uliti lekoflani.
Azaza lekofla sa, ngan wale yimana. Te kwa jo wadmani sugule ijiti shanma.
Gaya lala. Tinyedi nana makushda da teka.
As the season changed, now it has been ages that the younger son and his family have been living in a new place. One day, the father has a terrifying dream of his son being drowned in the water. Waking up from the dream, he prayed for his son, thinking it is a bad dream for him.
Mapani bedama dana hijima tanga bawacha.
Amuti hama tsungwan tane.
It is true that now the younger son has lost every business he owned. At the same time, the wife is expecting a new baby, but with nothing left at hand. Finally, he has to sell out their own house so that they will have something to pay off their medical bill. But unexpectedly, only the baby could survive, leaving the mother asleep forever. The younger son is now being challenged in life. His son is growing up and ready for school, but not being able to send him to school as he is struggling to earn even for his daily bread. As the time goes by, one day, the younger son is coming back to his father's home, holding his son. The son shares his tragic story and that now he is very sorry for what he has done, what a fool he has been, and asking for forgiveness from his father. In this, the father, being full of grace, love, and compassion, forgiving all, he accepted him. However, at this point, the older son is kept away from accepting his brother, as the wife is not willing to forgive or accept it.
Omage alima yane igu de jale ma chish kwangu shani
ma da yan pala ti kwala la dole ngama wa
nga za apfubun shite kwale abani akhu ya chiu shite ku thusani.
Seeing what is going on, the father says that as for him, the younger son coming back home is as if he was dead and now come to life again, that without any hesitation he forgives whatever wrong the son has done and accept him just as he is, that he does not have any kind of favoritism, that he loves both the older and the younger sons with the same love. So he is encouraging them to have a reconciliation, forgiving one another. Now that the younger son also asking his brother for forgiveness, however, because of the older son's wife would not agree to what the father said. And so, now the father is deciding to leave the house with his younger son. Hearing the father, now everyone come to realize that they need to forgive one another and decided to live together in unity and love.
Abu, nuni ma shai na nga te hai wa. 努萨玛阿德嘎古雷斯，
Noa wale ko hole ko thana. Aba kwachuna gagama ba laushe ti shile ma jwa.
Now, everyone, young and old, have become one in unity.
자 샤두 마도 아바누니 레